What about constitutional amendments? This is a constitutional amendment. If there's going to be, we have one question on the ballot already, as I understand it, having to do with legislative compensation, if I'm recalling correctly. Correct me if I'm wrong. But are there any other I should say, constitutional amendments that might pass the legislature to go on the ballot in November? Senator Thompson, let's start with you.
I haven't heard about them other than this potential inflator for the minimum wage that it sounds like Kent says is now off the table. I've heard of no other ones, but there again, this would be one of those things that doesn't even require the governor's signature. It's just a matter of a majority of the legislature passing them. And so really that's kind of in the hands of the majority. I haven't heard a lot of talk about anything else.
Well, in the minimum wage constitutional amendment, I didn't say it's off the table, but I don't think that it's probably going to go this year. And as far as other amendments, Senator Bach is carrying a constitutional amendment, as you had already mentioned, Senator Thompson, that would require a supermajority of the legislature to pass a constitutional amendment before it could be put on the ballot. And then you mentioned also the constitutional amendment that is going to go on the ballot. However, it's not going on the ballot this year. It's going to be going on the ballot in 2016.
Correct. Yes.
And that's the ballot, or that's the constitutional amendment that would remove the power of lawmakers to set their own pay, and to turn that power over to a citizens-only council that's appointed by the governor and the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. And it would be geographically balanced, it would be politically balanced, and it would be citizens only. There would be no legislators, no former legislators, no spouses of legislators, no lobbyists or former lobbyists serving on it, to try to remove all conflict of interest. And that's the reason that constitutional amendment.
Get rid of all the untrustworthy folks, huh?
So, well, just try to remove the conflict of interest there. And actually, that was an amendment.
They ban lawyers too, or
so,
no, never mind.
Lawyers are still on there. So, and that's a constitutional amendment that I authored. So, but that's going on the ballot in 2016.
Senator Thompson, anything about the constitutional amendments we haven't discussed, or anything else?
Not that I know of, no.
All right.